Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install TradingView for your desktop for Windows 11 and beyond. So the first thing you do is you go to tradingview.com/desktop, and this is what you see over here. Experience extra power, extra speed, and extra flexibility, all with the same UX you know and love. All right, so this is basically TradingView, native multi-monitor support. All right, so basically all the tools that you have on the TradingView web version as well. So we go down to the upside, back to the upside. Over here we click on download for Windows, and now I have a file that I need to save. All right, so we see over here that it is finished. I click on that, and I click on install. Once it is installed, I click on start. And now over here we see that it started. Look first, then leap. So this is the newest version as well. And as you can see, welcome to TradingView. I can sign in with my broker, or if I do not have an account, I can sign up over here. Again, if you need an account, just check out the link down below in the description. You can create a free account for TradingView. But over here, this is basically it. We are using the desktop version of TradingView, and yeah, basically it works as the same as in the browser. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.